If you ever wanted to get your body pierced, but then you don't want to pay the outrageous amounts of money that people charge to get this done, then watch this video from start to finish to find out how. So you're going to need a cannula for this. If you want to get 3 body piercings, you need like 3 cannulas. You can't reuse your cannula. You need sterile jewelry that is not electroplated, most likely something that is stainless or sterling silver. That's exactly what you're going to need. Then I would recommend you reach out to the person who pierces and let them know, oh, I have my jewelry, I have my cannula, how much are you going to charge me to get this done? You should be as gentle as possible because you don't use numbing cream. So this guy, Sophie, he's my friend and he does a lot of piercings here in Jos. So I had to meet him and he was the one who pierced my ear, and I enjoyed the experience overall. It was painful. Yes, it was semi-painful, I won't lie. In fact, it took, for 2 weeks, I could not sleep. I'm going to advise you when you're doing this, please do 1 piercing per time. Don't do 3 at once like I did. I could not sleep for 2 weeks. 2 straight weeks, I was not able to sleep. I kept turning and turning and turning. Or you could start with 1 ear first, and if you can sleep on one side for the whole night, then that's fine. But please and please, take it easy with the number of piercings you do per time, okay? I was supposed to do a total number of 4 fresh piercings on each earlobe, but I ended up leaving it at 3 because I could not tolerate any more pain. I could feel my pulse in all of my ears. And it was at this point that I concluded that for now, I wasn't getting